That's all we got so far at 422. One more detained.
422, 1 minute.
Yo, where you going? I'ma shoot you. I'ma shoot you.
Welcome back to We the People University. My name is Abaya Israel, former police officer and former sheriff's deputy. Today's video was first covered by Police Activity. If you have not subscribed to his channel, please show support and go and do so. Today we have the Newark Police Department attempting to take down car thieves. Now, the fact of the matter is, if you break the law, you're going to jail. There's no ifs, ands, or buts about it. And we on this channel don't, play favorites. If we have to follow the law, then so do you. But you should be able to go to jail and not be shot because of you broke the law. And that's what we're going to see in this video. I won't put my input in. I'm going to save it for later. I really want to know what you guys think. Was this a justified police shooting, or was this attempted murder? You let me know. Let's watch this.
Guns out, be careful. Put your hands. Put your hands up. Put your hands up. Open the car. Open the car. Open the car. Show me your hands. Show me your hands. Show me your hands. Get against the car. Get against the car. Get against the car. Put your legs open. Put your phone. I'm going to detain you right now, right? I'm going to detain you right now, right? I'm letting you know right now, right? That's all we got so far at 422. One more detained.
422, 1 minute.
Yo, where you going? I'ma shoot you. I'ma shoot you. I'ma shoot you. Yo, stop. Stop. Señores, don't move. Don't you think about moving. Move. Get him on the floor. Get him on the floor. Get out of the car. Get out of the car. Get him. Shots fired.
What's that look?
Please, the halter. Please, the halter.
You're following through.
Hey, send EMS my way ASAP. I won't know. Hey. Yeah, stand by.
All right, EMS, you notified.
Stand by with him. Yo, this guy's hit. Let me out. Inside the car. Yeah. No, he's hit inside the car. Yeah, he's in here. He's in there, bro. Let me see. Can you see him? Open the door. Open the door. Can you open that door?
How many? You just need one ambulance?
He's hit. From the bed?
Do you have additional units responding to Clinton Hawthorne?
He's in there? Yeah. Put your hands up.
Let me see your hands. Get out.
Open the car.
Get out. Open the car. Get out. Get out of the vehicle.
Show me your hands.
Get out of the vehicle. Keep your hands up.
Show me your hands.
Put it-
Get against the car.
Put it against the car.
Get against the car. Put your legs open. Put your phone. I'm going to detain you right now, right? I'm going to detain you right now, right? I'm going to let you know right now, right? That's all we got so far. Yo, where you going? I'ma shoot you. shoot you. I'm gonna shoot you. Yo, stop. Stop. Okay. Don't move. Don't you dare move. Don't you dare move. Get out. Get out of the car. Get out of the car. Don't you dare move. Yo. Back up. Stand by.
All right, EMS being notified.
Tennessee versus Gardner. During a chase, police officer Elton Hyman shot 15-year-old Edward Eugene Gardner with a hollow-tip bullet to prevent Gardner from escaping over a fence. Gardner was suspected of burglarizing a nearby house. Hyman admitted that before he shot, he saw no evidence that Gardner was armed and figured he was unarmed. The bullet hit Gardner in the back of the head. Gardner was taken to the hospital where he died a short time later. Gardner's father sued seeking damages for violations of Gardner's constitutional rights. The district court entered judgment for the defendant because Tennessee law authorized Hyman's actions. The court also felt that Gardner had assumed the risk of being shot by recklessly attempting to escape. The United States Court of Appeals for the Sixth Circuit reversed, holding that killing a fleeing suspect is a seizure under the Fourth Amendment, and such a seizure would only be reasonable if the suspect posed a threat to the safety of police officers or to the community at large. Question: does a statute authorizing use of deadly force to prevent the escape of any fleeing suspected felon violate the Fourth Amendment? The answer was yes. In a 6-3 decision, Justin Byron R. White wrote for the majority, affirming the Court of Appeals decision. The Fourth Amendment prohibits the use of deadly force unless it is necessary to prevent the escape of a fleeing felon and the officer has probable cause to believe that the suspect poses a significant threat of violence to the officer or to the community. The Tennessee statute was unconstitutional as far as it allowed deadly force to prevent the escape of an unarmed fleeing felon. And when I saw this video, this was the first case law that popped into my mind. You have two guys who allegedly stole a vehicle, and if they were guilty of that, then they should go to jail or prison, whatever their sentence requires, them to pay. But again, they should have the opportunity to serve their time and not be shot by reckless police officers. And as we can see in the video, the vehicle, yes, it was attempting to get away from officers, but we can also see that in the video that the vehicle was not trying to run the officer over, who was off to the left side of the vehicle and shot into the vehicle. Apparently, the investigation for this case is still ongoing, and we will keep our eyes on this one to see, what the outcome is, but we kind of know where this is going to go, right? But anyway, make sure you know your rights, and for these reasons, we need to always report the police, always know your rights. With that being said, We the People University, signing off. Be sure to visit WeThePeopleUniversity.com, where you can find our latest YouTube videos, more about myself, why I left the police department, merch, and more. If you have a police encounter that you would like highlighted, visit our website and click the Submit Videos tab. Fill out the video form submission so that we can hold these tyrants accountable. And if you guys still haven't purchased my book, Living in the Royal Tyranny, you can do so at WeThePeopleUniversity.com by clicking digital copy to read it right on your phone, or you can buy the hard copy or the paperback directly from Amazon. Also, be sure to pick up your free ebook to give you tips and tricks on how to deal with cops when you encounter them. And for those of you who are still trying to learn your basic rights, register for our course to learn how to deal with police so that your rights are not violated when you encounter cops. All this and more at WeThePeopleUniversity.com.